Hello students, welcome to Vidya Myriad. This video is made for class 6 on chapter number 13 Symmetry, and today we are going to begin with exercise 13.1 from Ncert. Now to understand symmetry, symmetry means the same figure. Same figure means identical figure. You can see, if you see here, butterfly is there, there is two logos, there is a flower over here. We can divide it into equal halves. Either we can draw horizontal line or we can draw vertical line or diagonal in any ways. Is butterfly, the wings are identical? Yes, butterfly wings are identical. If I overlap one on the other, it will be totally same. So that is why I have drawn one dotted line over here. If you see, there is a logo over here. If I draw a line in the center and turn it, it will be exactly the same. Look at the flower petals, they all are same. I can divide it equally. You can see the logo of McDonald's, M is there. So I have drawn a dotted line in the center, straight line. So if I fold it, it becomes same, totally identical. So a figure has line symmetry if a line can be drawn dividing the figure into two identical parts. That line is called as a line of symmetry. Let's see. Question number 1. List any 4 symmetrical objects from your school or your home. So there are so many things which you can find it symmetrical. For example, you have notebook, dining table, you have normal center table, wall clock is there, door is there, wall painting is there. You have wall paintings in a frame of square or rectangle or circle, any form. Plates are there, square boxes, plain cupboards, cookies box. So many things which are same, which can be divided into equal parts. So like that we will be doing the next. For the given figure, which one of the mirror line L1, L raised to power 1 or L square? Now if you see, if I take, there are two lines here, L1 and L2. Okay, if I take L1 line and I put it one upon the other, one is triangle, other one is in a form of a square, it cannot match, it is not possible. But if I take a mirror line L2 and I fold it, that image, it is exactly the same. So the following figure, the mirror line will be L2. Identify the shapes given below. Check whether they are symmetrical or not. Draw the line of symmetry as well. So if you look into these figures, the first one is log. You can draw a central line. It is a symmetrical shape. Glass is there, total symmetrical. You can draw a central line. You have this shape, you cannot make it symmetrical. So whether you draw a straight line, you draw a sleeping line or diagonal, it will not overlap one another, so it is not symmetrical. There is a telephone, it is equally divided, equal shape. I can draw a straight line to show that it is symmetrical. Then we have a shape like this. Here I have drawn a sleeping line. Sleeping line will only divide this into symmetrical. But if I draw a standing line, it will become unsymmetrical. It cannot overlap with one another. But with this, if I draw a sleeping line or a horizontal line, it will definitely overlap, and I can say L is the line of symmetry. Same way in this case, last shape, if it is a pentagon shape, if I draw a straight line, it becomes a symmetrical figure. But if I draw a sleeping line, it will not be able to overlap one another, so it will become unsymmetrical. To make it symmetrical, I have to draw a straight line on it. Copy the following on a squared paper. The squared paper is what you would have been in your arithmetic book in earlier classes. You have to just complete it. So one side is given to you, you have to draw the next side looking into and counting the figures. It is just a form of a pattern. You will see your right hand side or your left hand side or the dotted lines. If you see the given part, and what you have to draw should be exactly the same. Only then it will show the symmetry cases. Just count the boxes up, down, right, left, so that the image is absolutely clear and same. In the figure, L is the line of symmetry. Complete the diagram to make it symmetrical. Now you are given the upside. You have to draw the same towards your down so that it becomes symmetrical. Your diagonal line, your standing line, should the measurements be same over here. So the figure will look like as given below. In the figure, L is a line of symmetry. Draw the image of the triangle and complete the diagram so that it becomes symmetrical. So one triangle is given to you. If I draw another opposite side triangle, then the shape will totally become symmetrical. Otherwise, there is no other way to make it, because we have to make it symmetrical. So I have drawn one opposite upside down triangle, if you see here, and that dotted line will then clearly represent that it is a symmetrical figure. That's all for this, children. Exercise 13.1. I hope it is clear that how you are going to make your objects as symmetrical or unsymmetrical. Either it can be standing line or it can be sleeping line, to make it identical parts of it. Very soon I am going to come with the next video. Till then, see you, children. Goodbye. Take care.